In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Beehiiv step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Beehiiv is a powerful newsletter platform that makes it easy to build your audience, create your publication, and start sending professional newsletters fast. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Beehiiv account set up, your branding added, your sender details verified, and your first newsletter ready to publish. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to beehiiv.com. Once the website loads, click Sign Up to start creating your account. You can use the email account you want associated with your newsletter, so choose carefully before moving on. Next, follow the prompts to create your account. Beehiiv will ask for your basic sign-up details, so enter them exactly as needed and complete the registration process. After that, you'll need to verify your email address. This is an important step because it confirms that you own the email account and helps Beehiiv secure your publication setup. Check your inbox, find the verification email, and click the confirmation link to continue. Once your account is verified, Beehiiv will guide you into the setup flow. The first thing you'll want to do is enter your newsletter name. This is the public name of your publication, so pick something clear, memorable, and aligned with your brand. After that, choose your newsletter category. This helps Beehiiv understand what kind of content you'll be publishing and can help organize your publication properly. Next, add your logo. If you already have one prepared, upload it here so your newsletter looks professional and branded from the start. Then add your newsletter description. Keep this short, clear, and focused on what readers can expect from your content. This description helps visitors understand the purpose of your publication right away. After that, select your brand colors. Choose colors that match your website, logo, or overall brand identity so everything feels consistent and polished. Now it's time to set up your publication URL. This is the web address people will use to visit your Beehiiv publication, so make sure it's simple, clean, and easy to remember. Once that's done, configure your sender email address. This is the email that your subscribers will see when they receive your newsletters, so it should look professional and ideally match your brand. Beehiiv will then ask you to verify your sender email address. Follow the verification steps carefully because this helps improve deliverability and ensures your messages are recognized as coming from you. After your basic publication settings are complete, move on to customizing your website. Beehiiv lets you tailor the look and feel of your newsletter site so it reflects your brand and gives visitors a better experience. Take a moment to review the layout, colors, and overall presentation so your site looks clean and trustworthy. If you already have an existing email list, this is the point where you can import subscribers. Beehiiv makes it possible to bring in your current audience so you don't have to start from zero. Just make sure your list is organized properly before uploading it and double-check everything for accuracy. Once your audience setup is ready, it's time to create your first newsletter. Open the editor and start drafting your content. You can write your headline, body text, and any calls to action you want to include. Keep your first newsletter simple and engaging so it's easy to read and delivers value right away. After writing it, use the preview feature to see exactly how your newsletter will look before sending it out. This is a very important step because it lets you catch formatting issues, spacing problems, or anything that might look off on desktop or mobile. Review everything carefully, make any final edits, and once you're happy with the result, go ahead and publish your newsletter. Congratulations, your Beehiiv setup is now complete and your publication is ready to grow. From here, you can keep creating content, build your audience, and refine your newsletter over time. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next step-by-step software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.